What's up, guys? Voice of the Rams, Evan Samuel Chapo here. I'm going to give you an inside look as to how the Canada wildfires look out here in Jersey. So bad need this little. But yeah, it's really ugly out here. But yeah, I'm about to walk outside and show you the extent of this. It's just terrible. Like for my Minecraft sounding like shoes. Guys, look at this. It's so bad out here. I can smell the smoke. It's so quiet. Take it in. Look at this whole line of cars waiting to be their child. It's just kind of a bit of a flashback for me because I'm from California. But as you can see, we're all walking to our bus. Gotta get going with mine. But of course, can't get on my bus without showing you guys the extent of the smoke the Canada wildfires are producing out here in Jersey. This is North Jersey. It's pretty bad right now. It's supposed to get worse later on the week. It was by Friday. Nowadays we're in the clear. This thing isn't contained. Again, this was contained. Randolph High School's graduation this year's going to be inside. As per what I've said, it's outside. So yeah, my mask right here. It's pretty. Can with it off, I can just pick out the scent even more. It's just bad. So yeah, I should probably stay safe, and you should too, wherever you are along the northeastern part of the United States. If you're seeing this and you're living in this region, stay safe, wear a mask. But I know we all have our own choices on what these masks can do for us. But post-COVID world at this point, so I'm not going to say anything. Anyway, I'm going to put this back on. Okay, here I am, mask on. It's not great, because glasses fogging up. Okay, here I go, risking. Okay, I have taken the risk of exposing myself to the smoke. People never really know the effects of inhaling this smoke. Inhalation getting blood is bad. Alright, so that's it for this edition of Keeping Up with Randolph for what the Canada wildfires look like here. To all of you watching this who are living